Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to create a resume on Indeed. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type indeed.com and hit on enter right now. Do note that I've already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. In the navbar, if we scroll to the right, you will find your profile icon right here in between the notifications and this employer/post job button. Let's click on profile right now. Then something like this will open up. Worry not, let's simply go to profile. Once you're in the profile section, something like this will open up. Right here is the profile, and just below it, you will find something called as resume. You will get two options, that is to upload resume or build an Indeed resume. Simply click on the second option. Now this will pop up. Simply enter your first name and last name. Let's hit on continue. Now it's gonna ask for your phone number. Do enter it right now. Simply enter your number. Now let's hit on continue. Likewise, enter your street address and such, your postal codes and everything. Again, let's click on next, that is continue. Simply enter all of your information. Do note that I am skipping it. And once everything's okay, hit on save. Now it's also gonna ask for your work experience. Write your experiences right here. For now, I'm simply gonna skip, but in your case, write everything and click on save. It's also gonna ask me for my skills. Well, let's add something. And once everything's done, again let's click on continue. Likewise, in this page, add a certification or license. Well, I've entered it, so again let's hit continue. Okay, so this is my resume right here. It's what it is. You guys just enter your education, work experience and summarize everything. Again, let's hit on continue. Now it's gonna show you an option like this, whether you want employers to find on Indeed. Don't do anything here and just click on continue. Everything's finished. Well, you guys have the option to add job types and everything, work schedules. Simply follow the prompts and let's click on finish. Well guys, that's it. Let's simply continue to profile. And right here is my Indeed resume. Well guys, that's it. That's how you create a resume in Indeed. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.